Hi friends, my name is Yash and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video topic is how we can install Docker in Amazon Linux. Okay, so let's start the video. So first of all, I will open my AWS account and I already created one EC2 instance and it is in running state. Okay, so I will click here and connect. Copy this command and paste it terminal. Paste it here. Copy this command to SSH. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Yes. Now my EC2 instance is connected. So to install Docker in our EC2 instance, we want to run some commands. Okay, so these are all the commands. So I will run step by step. So copy this command and paste it here. Copy this command, paste it here. This command will execute our Docker. Okay, so it will install our Docker. Our Docker is installed. Now copy this command to start Docker. Okay, so paste it here. Okay, copy this command, paste it here. Docker is it give one error, permission denied. Okay, so we clear this and restart the session. Exit. Okay, I will restart my session. Copy this command, paste it here. Copy this command, paste it here. Now I will copy this command. Copy this command to see Docker info. Now it will showing the Docker info. Okay, now our Docker is successfully installed and successfully working. Okay, I will run some commands of Docker images. Currently we doesn't have any Docker image, so it will not showing any image. Okay, so I will pull one Docker image. Hello world. Now it will pulling the hello world image. I want to run this image, so I will write docker run hello world. Now it is running. Okay, this message, hello from Docker. Okay, so that is the way we can install Docker in Amazon Linux. So that was it for this video. If you like this video, so give thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.